Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today's focus is using blend if to create realistic double exposure effect. Begin by placing two images on separate layers. Open the layer style panel on the top image. Navigate to the blend if slider and observe how they react to the tonal values. Drag the darker slider inward to reveal bright areas of the image underneath. This is instantly forms a beautiful overlaps between the two photos. Split the slider, use Alt for smoother transition. You will notice the image melt into each other like a natural exposure. Adjust opacity and blend mode for even richer result in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Plays with the levels and